You also send somebody
Quite
on set.
I feel like they told us to sing a song. What song are we supposed to sing?
I do it for you. I stay shining. Hey, everybody stay shining. I wake up every morning singing for money. Can I just, as a starting point?
Yes.
Don't tell me the obvious. I know what is happening over here. So don't treat me, don't say, girl, missing. I know.
And it's episode 50.
Guys, obviously, comes after this. We gotta do
one, two. I love me some Ricardo. I love me some Rick.
Yes.
I don't like you making black people dance for money.
But we do. We dance for money. We're doing it for Granny Apples. We are doing it for South Africa. We are a dancing nation. Because what it does, bring us together.
It brings us a swag.
So we do it for money. We do it for money.
No, why don't we just give them the money? Some of those people were like old. Some of those people
True, but like
fathers.
I
honestly thought it was a bit patronizing.
It is patronizing, but
just
not historically.
I get the sentiment behind it, but it's just like
no. But you know what I think? I think in the same way, this is very similar to what happened with the Vans thing.
Yes.
Because you know what? Yes. The intentions are pure and
the
great.
The delivery, my brother.
Not too sure.
Like we know you want to be genuine, but this is not the way to go about it.
Yeah.
How's about we go back to the drawing board?
Guys, let's just stop making black people dance.
Dance for money.
Or maybe just give them the
we
money.
Can dance for food.
Yeah, maybe give
I'm
them
a girl. I'm a girl.
I
I dance for food. Okay, I dance for food. I will not deny.
Girl, where you dance?
I know who I am. Chicken.
Okay, cool. I get it.
Our favorite lady.
And this time.
This time.
What did she do now?
So you haven't seen the
You didn't see the video.
What video? Wow. The weird video.
Well, Zota said don't play games with me. Don't. As a fan, I know you don't gonna like me. That's okay. That's cool to be you. But you will never do what? Disrespect me.
Because that ass.
Wow, she also went in. Yes.
So they weren't too happy. Well, she wasn't happy about that.
Oh. Now it's on. It's on.
Say Lord.
It's on. What's on? What?
So swiftly.
Nicely.
No, but also, if you throw something
unapologetically,
you can't be shocked if they throw something back.
Nicely. I don't think I know she's not about it. You know,
no, she's not.
Zota's a disciplinarian.
Apparently, That's what is serious. So she must pull wigs, but she just mustn't rock it out.
No, she's ready to rock it out, babe, and she's ready to rock it out in
a thread.
A single thread.
She's gonna sell
that's
her
not going to dare you even say sure it's not that. Do you see that thread?
And it's together.
Did you see that layering?
Together.
That girl. Don't mess.
My thing is I know that it was done with the scissors.
Don't mess with my thread. Don't
I'm
mess with my thread.
Because I'm sure we've all done it in high school. Something with a skipper.
Which of the things?
With the skipper. With
that thing.
Pretty ugly. You're punk. I give you a punk.
Punk.
Guys, what is happening with Tiger?
Your brother put his son up as rent.
What do you mean?
Your brother.
Which son?
He said, Tiger child. Here's a rent. I'm gonna stay here in a minute.
Take a boy child to work.
Because also Tiger looks like he's a
living
now.
dead.
Cheers now here from Ialos. I wouldn't mistake him for a cheese now from Ialos.
So he's saying
it's worse now
so
because his hair's grown.
He took Brian there.
What is really sad is that his son is being sued for this lease.
But how can you sue a minor? Can you sue a minor?
Well, the property is under his name.
But he's a minor.
Because of the lease.
He cannot make this decision on his own. Ready to go. King.
In a lawsuit.
Buying a house. No. What is SARS in America? What SARS in America are offering? The IRS. Thank you. In a gallery. Yeah, they're gonna catch this.
The wasabi gallery.
They're gonna say we are stupid. They're gonna tell us we're stupid.
We are pretty. Don't matter. Can I have a drink now? Can we get a hottie of the week?
We have one more.
Do you know how many faces have been in that guava?
Oh!
What's up, keep his key.
Babes, do you know at this point this lady's gone beyond anger. She's now raging demon super scion.
Yes.
Come here.
She's kind of like Grace Mugabe on that.
She one-handed moved him from the stage.
But why would he do this? How educational was this decision?
It was not, as you can see.
He was put in a very compromising.
No, he was not. He should have said, you know what, baby? I actually just want to stand next to you. That's what he should have said.
Someone tweeted, they were like, oh no, but if it was the other way around, people would be raging, saying abuse, abuse, abuse.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, nah!
I know, girls. There is no woman who's dumb enough to go have another nigga with
got
his
it.
dick in her face like this while her man is standing there like,
No.
Okay.
where are you going? Where are you going?
Guys, it's finished. Can I just talk mean? That's my turn now.
No, but don't you
Yes,
mean?
discussing petty case you like.
Yeah.
False Lawrence is
is
far.
my
You have to go
time.
all the way back there.
Shout out to
Where?
the girls.
False.
Okay.
Ask a dog.
Okay, now
You don't have time. Go, please. Hey, darling Lindy. Hey! Hey! Who is this guy? Some people in the comment, who is this guy? Office in call center 8 guys. Who is this guy? Shut up, back, shake up. Yes, I want to travel the force. Let me just tell you who I am. Yo, what's good, MicroWave boys? It's okay, what's up from Foster Last 45, the hoodie skinny niggas that need to multiply with the clouds so close to the ground so we'll touch the sky. So we'll be set up foot. In case you mean I forget you. It's okay, Wasabi from Foster Last 1475. The hood where skinny niggas die and they do that. They might supply, but the clouds are too close to the ground, so we all touch the sky. Me figure the MicroWave Boys episode 50. They had to bring me in for the 50th episode. After all their amazing guests, they saved their best for half. You get it? Because there's gonna probably be 100 episodes. So they saved the best for half. New meaning, guys. In Shama, phrase Amash. We'll send Zalento Lesgin tonight, guys. Nkalama boys are figure, you know what I'm saying? Oh, what are the boys? The gift Uti. The gift Uti. The only disease that you wanna get in a club, laryngitis. Spaga N, MicroWave Boys, episode 50.
Here we go.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah,
Wait, let me start. Zoom, 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 zoom.
You're probably sitting there on your own. You're probably listening to us. You're probably sitting there on their own. Don't care who you are.
You're probably sitting there alone and telling me I'm on the phone. Tell me I'm in the phone. As hard as you got to
We are family. We are family. We are family. We are family.
like a petty mother, I did the best thing ever. Get it? Because petty is eating. So like a petty mother did the best thing.
In very sad news, R.I.P. to Winnie Mandela, the mother of the nation. You know what I mean? She did a whole lot for the country, and we sad to see her go.
Yeah.
And any other sentiments?
We strike a rock. You strike a woman, you strike a rock.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Rest in peace.
Yeah.
Moment of silence. Let's go. This week, crazy things that happened. Let me come. What's going on?
First of all, you guys need to stop swearing at us every time we don't drop an episode. We got shit to do.
It's such a
I've
matter
got
of
a family to raise. I'm about 4. 4 kids that I'm currently not paying child support for. It's hard dodging these baby mamas. You think every week you can just come here, jokes, and then come on.
Yeah.
Give us a break, okay? Yeah. And then Easter, we get them an Easter break. Go home, be with your family.
Yeah.
You're kind for MicroWave Boys.
Oh, that baby mama you told me about last week.
Yeah, well, that's one of them.
That's why it's so dope being a virgin.
All right.
Don't take the virgin marriage
My
shot.
job being awkward now.
Okay. Let's get straight into it,
just saying the
guys.
truth.
So, you know, the country is taking justice against people using the K word, you know what I mean? And we saw the first lady.
Gaga.
Yeah.
Not that K word.
Not that K word. So, Vicky, what's her name? Vicky what?
Vicky Momberg.
Vicky Momberg, like we... Man.
Wait, no.
Orange is a new black.
Oh,
Definitely. Urania. Oh, it's the new sword.
Ain't the blow for an answer masterpiece.
She came out with
Oh
this.
no, Vicky's life sucks.
She asked herself, what's the worst thing I can do before I come out to court? You know, blackface, I don't have polish. Plan 2. Cornrows.
Mandisa. Hey, Mandisa?
Yeah,
Mandisa. Can you please just, I wanna...
Nah, it's Vicky. It's Vicky.
Why the whole thing? The problem is that in jail they don't have e-relaxer.
So I'm asking her, Vicky, are you sorry about what you did in the court? She's going... She's not ready for that itch. You know, the black girl going... Nigga, she walked out there into court looking like a motherfucking 26
I do that when I
member.
think.
It's just, I'm sure the judge was like, Vicky, it's only been 1 week. And you can still appeal. You're embracing jail too soon, Vicky. There's still a chance.
She's in character.
She's already in character. She's probably selling loose
inside,
cigarettes
fully.
in there. Things are bad for Vicky. You know the Protex, they cut the soap in jail and they sell it in slices. One bar of Protex actually is like for 20 people. Yeah. So Vicky's like moving Protex on the low.
How do you know all of this?
Hey, listen, guys, you guys must watch a movie or something.
Hey.
Which movie?
In that movie, there's so much shower scenes.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
They shower a lot.
Oh, Emmanuel.
In Emmanuel they shower, but there's never soap.
Do you remember the other one?
Yeah, but there's never soap in
Do you remember
Emmanuel.
the other one? Butterscotch. Where it would be like it should always be,
Buttercup.
but it was butterscotch. Should always be having like sex with like a naked with a guy who's not there. You remember on ETV?
As a virgin, you must be.
I don't know these things.
And then she'll stand there like this.
Me, all I watch
Oh,
on TV
yeah.
is don't go down without fights.
I know.
Friday action night.
I know that feeling where you have sex with someone that's not there.
That must come in handy.
Pamela Henderson. Come on.
What the fuck? The bar's been raised enough.
So there was a fight. What seems to probably be the greatest fight I've ever witnessed. Pega, capoeira.
Hold up.
Yes.
What?
It's too
Hey!
bad.
Watch out! He missed you there.
Yeah,
Catch it out!
Wait, he actually connected.
WWE smack it down.
Are you ready?
Whoa!
Young Bambanis.
Did I even hit him with a fake, bro? Like, missed you there.
That was a clean hit. Proper.
Yeah.
Your blood, if you play Mortal Kombat, your blood goes through. You know, as a kid, after you watch a Van Damme movie, what do? You immediately go outside, gather all your friends, it's time to get your Van Damme
Exactly.
on. Those niggas are fresh from a Van Damme movie.
One more time, dude.
He practiced that thing at home, dog.
This is
This
premeditated.
is a fight. This is a real fight, though. This is a real fight.
After school is after school.
Let's move on swiftly. As people fighting, I can't do it.
You say, let's move on Taylor Swiftly. Say something.
Taylor Swiftly.
I don't know, but I like that.
What do you mean? You like
like-
Taylor Swiftly?
No, fuck, I hate Taylor Swift.
What's your favorite Taylor Swift song?
Ooh,
What's the one about closing
this
doors?
is an SOS, ain't nobody carry it best. Ain't got a life in the night.
I knew you were trouble when you walked in.
I like that one. I like cause the players go play.
Do I know any Taylor Swift songs?
Man, you way too in touch with your exes,
Come on.
man.
Come on.
Do I know any
Your
Taylor
turn.
Swift?
What do you mean?
All I need is somebody to lean on.
No.
Nah, bro.
Isn't that Taylor Swift?
Hasn't been released yet in the East. Don't worry, it's coming. Dropping on Easter egg iTunes.
The East gets everything late.
December 2018, it's coming.
You know who Taylor Swift is.
We are never, ever
Getting
Back together. Yes. What? So
my dogs are-
DMX was obviously in like a whole lot of trouble with the law.
As usual. He's been in trouble for 20 years.
Yeah.
We're saying like it's something new. 20 years.
And you know, so DMX's lawyer was like, you know what? I know I'm gonna get this guy out of his sentence. I'm going to play his songs in court. Which DMX song do you think they used? Bring it! What?
And I did. In courts.
Wait,
Mr. X, sir, this is your last chance. One song.
Which one song?
One song.
But what type of court is this that gives people chances?
Brenda, Letitia, Darnell, and Alicia. I think we listened to that song, DMX squeezing the nigga's name there, but we didn't know. Yeah, like it was Letitia, it was Keisha, Darnell. Yeah, exactly. He played Slipping and they actually reduced the sentence.
We're sleeping, how does it go? Is it emotional?
I'm sleeping.
I'm falling.
I can't get up.
Yeah.
I'm sleeping.
They reduced 4 years to like 1 year.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What court is
I
that?
got to get up. I'm sleeping.
That's definitely Just Judy. That's who Meek Mill needs. Meek Mill needs Just Judy.
Yo, then they say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? Yo, Meek Mill will be free this week, guys. Free Meek Mill. Hashtag free Meek Mill, my nigga. Oh, you. That's why you ain't tweet my album, dog. We forgive you, dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm charged up. 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Yes, free Meek Mill.
Is Meek Mill arrested?
Yes, he's in jail right now. How do you know? Don't know.
We spoke about this.
Probably think Bobby Schmurder is at home as well.
Dog. You know what Bobby is in
I need you
jail?
here.
Bobby Schmurder.
But the other guy that.
No, that's not the
Yeah, he
dance.
was arrested
That's
immediately
not
after
the
that
dance.
song.
The dance.
I've never seen that.
Also, what dance is that?
This one. With shivers in my heart, nigga.
No, like
About a
song.
week ago. This one, aye. This is Bobby attempted murder, not Bobby. This nigga.
You call it Bobby attempted.
You see that child that walked in the BBC reporting news and walked in like this, hi daddy. That's the one. But this one is to me is the heart, nigga. I've never seen this one in my life, dog. I know all the dances, dog. I know them. But this one is currently not in hip hop.
Also, you.
It's currently not. No.
Which one is it?
This one, dog. You know I know all of these ones. This one, dog. I can't
Do it again.
do it. Alright. Let's sing a random hip hop song and try. What do you wanna? Doesn't work. Okay, we move on. He told Indaba on a song.
Yeah, he basically says
He says everything like, imagine you're going to rob a Caltex, then tomorrow you drop a tag. Robbed the Caltex last night. My niggas. Larry was there. He shot the sheriff. We stole some cheese puffs. And then that's it. There was chief stuff sniffing. Larry was there. He shot the sheriff. The
cops are like, shit.
Show you on camera. The cops are like, we need to arrest this nigga. As soon as I'm done Millie rocking, as soon as I'm done Millie rocking, this nigga is arrested. But let me just. And now he's in jail.
The police put the Apple Music subscription in the evidence file. Said, got this nigga.
What the drag?
Got this nigga. Done.
Bobby Brown, you remember when you were a kid and your parents used to tell you, take the chicken out of the fridge.
Yeah.
And then you forget sometimes, whatever.
Obviously, yes.
But most of the time you do it. Bobby Brown took it a step further. His mom said, Bobby, Bobby said, cool. So he took the chicken out.
Yeah.
But he went a step further and started cooking the chicken. And then went a step further and cooked it in cocaine.
Yes.
At 10 years old, guys.
Yes.
There's a lot of Christians here.
Yes. No
First of all-
sniffing good.
But Bobby Brown was like literally out of order. I mean, they once had a reality show with Whitney, may her soul rest in peace. But boy, you can just see that these people are not okay.
And then, yo, that was too high. That was a high couple.
Bobby!
But do we know any Bobby Brown songs?
What is that song? Candy Girl.
Everybody loves them. Tell me
I
that
love
you
the
can.
I wanna
Stand the rain.
Oh, yeah.
Sunny
Even in that group.
This we know for sure.
This week, no, for sure.
Some coke.
The lesson here is don't put cocaine in the chicken.
Yeah, it's bad.
I don't know how much clearer it could be.
Oh, he put cocaine in the chicken.
And what the suck?
Queenie.
Nigga, you hear
So
you
no
need-
flour. You know how they make like KFC and they say they put flour, they say
This
egg.
nigga put
No wonder I'm feeling some type of way when I eat KFC.
No, oh no, Jesus, oh no, man, I can't do it. I can't do it.
It'd be funny though if you find out that there's a low crack at the chicken at KFC. That's why we keep coming back here. Let me get that 2-piece, nigga. Man, there's no more chicken. What do you mean? It's KFC. How did that chicken young? Have you ever seen someone who's demanding chicken at KFC? How did that chicken young? Little Kentucky. How did that chicken? How? Come on, 2-piece, please. Hey, 2 fella. I know. Please, come on, 2-piece, mama. Please. Please, come on, 2-piece, please. But mama, chicken is impedile. Ratwal. No, please, just okay. The hot wings in your hand. The dinner, dinner, thank you. Please, really, how? Why are you open, kid? That's crack cocaine.
A lot of people wrestle with that issue, guys. Speaking about wrestling.
Spaga, you see?
Spaga. Yeah, I watched the show, guys. AKA is definitely living out his childhood. Your childhood.
Yo, hey!
Yo, man.
Hey!
You got it.
Oh, there you go.
You need a guys. I have a box.
Childhood Dreams by Please don't put two of them, dog, because that's embarrassing, dog. Yo, living on his childhood dreams and participating when WWE SmackDown comes to South Africa.
I like that.
SmackDown. Going to South Africa. He's a special guest. I don't know if he's going to wrestle. I would love to see that. I would love to see
There's nothing I would pay more money for.
AKA in a ring, guys.
Yo, guys, it's going to be amazing.
The thing is, I don't know wrestling.
I think he's old or something.
Yo, I'm shy on his shoulder. Oh, that's his finishing move. He waits for some.
What did it look like?
That's an amazing finishing move, yo. Yes.
He has to come out as like, okay, what's his storyline? You know, WWE has a storyline. So, AKA Randy Orton is coming, I'm guessing, or whatever.
Yeah.
So, AKA is going to come through as Randy Orton's lost half brother.
Yes. Amazing.
From Eldos, and he's mad that they went to America without him.
Yes.
They left him here. Let him in Eldos, brah!
Yeah.
Let him fucking Eldos!
Yes.
And you guys went to America.
Yeah.
So he's obviously incredibly upset about this.
That time who's announcing the match? Deborah Preta.
No, Bonang. And she said, and then she says,
Jumel Long, ladies and gentlemen! Mototla shop you want today? But I'm a shop I got left, I'm a shop I got right. He's going down quicker than our relationship.
I'll say countdown.
How about out of 5? Hey, 4, hey, 3, 2, what do you want to do? So 1. And then she has to do the bell as well. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, man.
What an amazing show, please. Make it happen.
okay, what is on the week?
Go.
Thank you so much.
What is on the week?
I've been waiting. Sit here. Like a pumpkin on my name.
What is on the week? We brought them live to you guys.
Thanks.
Find us on our social media.
Oh,
wait, are we still talking about stuff?
Sorry, I'm sitting.
We're still talking about
Well,
stuff.
I'm doing maybe the buckest squat in this position. I was
But it's
not.
tough.
Whoa!
I told you to sit.
And you know, hey, Varo, you know when you
But it's for your ass. It's for your ass.
it happened to just
Get the kegels, babes.
you got you. It's like
What?
it's looking healthy.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, guys, MicroWave episode 50. Thank you so much, guys.
Can I stop?
For watching with us for 50 episodes. And big shout out to all of our guests. From everyone.
Yes, make that day for daddy.
It's not the last time you're going to see them on our show. They're going to be
Let's say goodbye.
Yes, let's say thank you.
Episode 50.
Subscribe.
Episode 50. Thank you so much.
What's happening?
We
What's
are
happening?
Thank you for rocking us for 50 episodes.
until another 50. Let's all cling together. 1, 2, 3.
You know what it is.
Do you know who you look like? You know the aliens in Mike in black with the coffee because of the.
What a frame. Yo, this is spin. That's okay. Episode 50, guys. Sinivile ke apha ke ngikhulumela nonke as the person who spoke this week on the news. Shout out to Noqolo. Ngithanda nonke emakhaya. Tigidigidding, ting, 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 ting. Tigidigidding. Imizwilili. Hallelujah. Then it's the weather now. Ting, ding, ding, ding. Ebo, it's a quack one mafu la pana. Episode 50. Okay, what's up?
Hey, lifestyle. Everything. Bad bags on my ash. Everybody going ash. Propaganda. Hey, Weezy Leno. China Power. Hey, whole squad on some lifestyle. Everything. Bad bags on my ash. Everybody going ash.